Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello and welcome to Rahman Digital Production. This is Mathematics 4024 and this is lecture number 27. Today we are going to discuss the simplification of linear expression with a fractional coefficients. If their coefficients are fractional, how we will simplify it. So let's jump directly to the whiteboard. Ladies and gentlemen, I wrote the question in advance for you people and then I will try to solve it. The first question is saying that 1 over 4, which is the coefficient of what? Of variable x, plus 1 over 5, that is the coefficient of y, minus 1 over 6x minus 1 over 10y. Ladies and gentlemen, for simplicity, write it like this. Yes, this expression and this expression is the same. Just like minus y divided by 5 minus x divided by 6 and then minus y divided by 10. Now we have to combine the similar coefficients, the similar variable. Means that this x with this x and this y with this y coefficients with this. So I am writing x plus 4 and then minus x divided by 6 and then I am saying that minus y divided by 5 minus y divided by 10. Okay, now this implies that when we are taking the LCM of this, it will be 12. So 12 is the LCM of the x variable. So when we divide this 12 by 4, it will give you 3 and then multiply that 3 with the x. So it will be 3x. Then this minus symbol and then you have to divide this 12 by 6, which will give you 2 and 2 will be multiplied with x. So it will be 2x. Now this minus symbol and we have to take 10 is the LCM of this. So when we divide this 10 by 5, it will give you 2 and it will become 2y minus y. So the final answer will be if we subtract 2x from 3x, it will give you x divided by 12 and this y divided by 10 is the answer. You can write it in the coefficient form as well, that 1 over 12x minus 1 over 10y. So both the answers are equal. Now the second question, we are just combining the same. So 2a divided by 3 plus 2a minus b divided by 7 minus 3b divided by 5. So I am taking LCM of this is 3. When nothing is there, you have to consider 1 as the denominator. So it will give you 2a plus 6a and minus I am taking 35 as the LCM. So 5 minus 5b and then minus 21 B. So after the simplification, we will get 8a divided by 3 minus and minus, both are minus. So we will minus 5b and minus 21b. So it will give you minus 26 divided by 35, and we are writing b here, or 26b directly you can write. So that is the answer. Now there are two different types of variables. So I am writing 5c divided by 9 and minus 7c divided by 8 plus 3d divided by 4 minus 4d divided by 3. Ladies and gentlemen, now I have to take the LCM is A72. So 40C minus 63C. And here I am taking 12 as the LCM, and this will be 9D minus 16D. Now the ultimate answer will be 40 minus 63 will give you negative 23C divided by 72, and then 9 and minus, it will also give you negative, and that will be 7D divided by 12. So this is the answer, uh, minus 23D and this. Now the next question in the book is, uh, there are f, h and k variables are there. F, h and k. So we have to write first 2f plus minus 1 over 2f separately, then minus 5h divided by 3, minus 5h, and then minus 28k divided by 5. And similarly I have to write, no, minus 5h divided by 3, and we have to write the second one as well, 5h divided by 4 minus k we have to write plus 9k divided by 4 minus 28k divided by 5. So now we have to solve this separately, and here I am taking the LCM as 2. So 4f minus f, and here I am taking the LCM as 12, and then 20h plus minus 20h, so this is minus 20h, and 15h. Now in this case I am taking 20 as the LCM, so 45k minus 4 8s are 32, 4 2s are 8 and 11, 112k. Now the simplified answer will be 3f divided by 2, and this is 20h minus 20h plus 15h. So minus 5h divided by 12, and the last one is 45, 112 minus 45. So 55 and 12. 55 and 12 is 7 and 6, 67. So here you will get minus 67k divided by 20. Similarly, this question is 5a, and first we have to simplify it. Ladies and gentlemen, I am writing 5a plus 4b minus 3c and minus 2a minus 3, sorry, plus 3b divided by 2 minus 3c divided by 2. Now we have to combine these similar terms, and here I am writing 5a and there is minus 2a, very simple one, plus 4b plus 3b divided by 2 minus 3c minus 3c divided by 2. This is simple. This is 3a, and here I have to take the LCM as 2, so 8b plus 3b, and here I am taking the LCM as 2, so minus 6c and minus 3c. The ultimate answer will be 3a, and then 11 plus 11b divided by 2 minus and minus, minus 9c divided by 2, and that is the ultimate answer. First of all, in this case I have to simplify because simplification is there in the topic, so you have to simplify it. I am writing 1 over 2 as it is, then writing 2x plus 2x minus 6. Now I have to multiply, but before that I am writing 1 over 2 into 4x minus 6. Now this 1 over 2 when multiplied with 4x and minus 1 over 2 multiplied by 6, this minus is here, so 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, so 2x is the ultimate answer. 2 ones are 2 and 2 threes are 6, so minus 3, 2x minus 3 is the answer. Now here I am again doing the same process. 2 over 5, and first we have to remove these parentheses. So I am writing 12p minus 5 minus 2p. Now 12p minus 2p will give you 10p. So I am writing 10p. And that minus 5 is a constant and there is no other constant. So in this case, we will multiply 2 over 5 with 10p minus 2 over 5 with 5. So 5 ones are 5, 5 2 twos are 4p, and this 5 will be cancelled with 5. So 4p minus 2 is the answer. Now D part is giving you another opportunity to solve these sort of the questions. Ladies and gentlemen, I am writing 8x plus 10 minus 6 plus 4 24x, and now I am doing it somewhere else. Let us do it here. You have to write these things in copy. So 1 over 2, and let me 8x and 24x, it will be 32x, and then plus 4. When I multiply this, so it will be 16x plus 2, and that is the answer. Now I am coming towards the question number 3. So they are clearing your concept, whether you can write it 1 over 2 like this, 1 over 4x, or you can write it x divided by 2, I told you earlier. So directly we are doing what? We are taking the LCM as 10. So it is 5x, and then we are writing 4x. So 9x divided by 10 is the last answer inside this. Okay, a divided by 3 minus a divided by 4. A divided by 3, yes, it is a minus 4. So we are taking 12 as the LCM for a minus 3a, which is equal to a divided by 12. Okay, 2h and this. So I am taking, gradually we are heading towards the factorization, and actually the next question is factorization, which is very important topic. So I am taking 35 is the LCM, so it will give you 10h plus 7 into h plus 1. So when we simplify it, 10h plus 7h plus 7 divide by 35, and after the simplification the final answer will be 17h divide by 17h plus 7 whole divide by 35. And gentlemen, these are easy, but after that you will have to utilize this concept, because children are also taking, kids are also taking advantage from it, from grade 5 till 10. So you have to develop your concept. Here I am taking 8 is the LCM, so that will be 3x minus 2 into x plus 2. Uh, this is equal to 3x minus 2x minus 4 divided by 8. And then 3x minus 2x will give you x, and then minus 4 divided by 8. Keep in mind one thing I told you in earlier lectures as well, and here I am repeating, that people are cutting this 4 1 with 2. But this is not cuttable. Remember that there is x with it. If it was not there, then you could, but not in this case. The E part is, I am taking the LCM as 10. So 2 into 4x plus 1 plus 5 into 3x minus 1. Here I am taking is 8x plus 2 plus 15x minus 5 whole divided by 10. And the ultimate answer is 8 and 15x is 23x plus 2 and minus 5 minus 3 divide by 10, and that is the answer. Uh, okay, ladies and gentlemen, we will turn our focus to the next part. There are many parts inside this question, so let me erase the whiteboard first. Okay, let us do this. Here I am taking as the LCM 12. When we divide this 12 by 4, so it will give you 3, and you have to multiply that 3 with this expression, and then minus, and you have to divide this 12 by 6. So 6 2s are 12, and 2 will be 2y minus 3. Now we have to simplify it. 9y minus 3 minus 4y plus 6 divide by 12. And here we can write it as 9y minus 4y is 5y minus 3 plus 6 plus 3 divide by 12, and that is the answer. Here I have to clear my concept of simplification, and I am taking 8 is the LCM. 4 2s are 8, so 2 will be multiplied with this, and minus a plus 7, minus a plus 7, so it will be 2a minus 4 minus a minus 7 all divided by 8. In this case, 2a minus a is a, minus 4 minus 7 is minus 11 divided by 8. The final part is that I am taking 12 is the LCM, and then 4 will be multiplied with 3p minus 2q minus and 3 4p minus 5q. So let us simplify. 12p minus 8q minus 12p plus 15q, and as a whole I am taking the denominator as 12. Now similar terms will be added or subtracted. 12p minus 12p will cancel, and minus 8q and plus 15q, that will be equal to 7q divide by 12. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, next we are turning our focus to factorization. Now this factorization is a very important topic for the rest of mathematics course. So factorization is the process, factorization is the process of expressing one expression into two or more than two expressions. So it means that very important, factorization is the reverse of expansion. It is the reverse of the expansion. There were factors expression, and you are expanding that expression. Ladies and gentlemen, sometime I have to stop the recording because due to the disturbance of different things, we are living very near to the runway of airport. So when aeroplane is landing or taking off, due to that heavy sound, I have to stop it. So sorry for disturbance and don't mind it. Okay, I was talking that this is the simplified form, and you are expanding it. But if expansion is given to you, you have to find the common factors, take it out, and write the remaining factors in the bracket, so that will be the factorization. We have to find the factors just like you are finding the factors of mathematical numbers. Find the factors of, for example, 12. So the factors of 12 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Because 6, 12, and this 12 is coming in the table of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In another word, we can say that 12 is divisible by all these numbers. So these are called factors of a number. Now, how we will find the factorization of the uh, mathematical expression? Now, here I am writing question number 4 and A part, and I am doing the question is saying factorize each of the following expression completely. So 12x minus 9. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, one thing. Many students are not following these rules. When it is saying factorize, then it means that you have to find the factors only, not the solution. And if it is written factorize and solve, then you have to first factorize it and then find the solution. Solution means find the value of the variable. In this case, there is 5. So there will be equation which you will factorize and then find. Expression can only be factorized. So we have to find the common values of these two terms. Uh, 3 is the common of these two. Now 2 is here, but 2 is not coming in the table of 9 is not coming in the table of 2. X is here, but no X is here. So only 3 we are taking as common. And it will be when 3 is taken out as a common. So what will remain here? Divide this 12 by 3. So it will give you 4x. And then minus symbol will be on its place, and divide this 9 by 3. So it means that it will give you 3, and that is the answer. Remember that this is the expanded form. We were expanded it like this, and that is the factorization, the reverse of x. If you are again multiplying like this we did in this 3, you will get again this answer. If you are not getting this answer again by any means, then see your criteria. You might committed a mistake. We started from the very basic concept, and now we are doing the second part only for today. Then we will minus 25y, and then there is minus 35. Minus 35. Ladies and gentlemen, minus is here and minus is here. So we are taking minus is the common. This 25 and 35 is coming in both the table of 5. So we have to take 5. These two are divisible by this 5. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, that when you are taking negative is a common, then the sign of the remaining expression will be changed. It is negative, negative you took common. So it means it will remain. What will remain? 5y. Why? Because when you divide this 25y by 5, it will yield 5y. Here it will be plus. This is also plus and this will also be plus. And what? 5 sevens are 35. 5 sevens are 35. If you are multiplying this again with this expression, you will get the same answer. This was just the beginning and a taste of factorization. There is a very large portion of factorization is there in this exercise, in this unit as well as in the next unit. So clear your concept. This is the basic concept. See the video again and again and share it with your friends and family members so they can also take advantage of it and learn it. So thank you very much for watching. Allah Hafiz.